Hey there, my name is Jordan and I am the marketing guy here at Energy Suspension in beautiful San Clemente, California. In this series, we will be installing a full vehicle master kit on this 2015 FR-S. This episode, we are going to tackle replacement of the old, worn-out rubber shifter bushing and replace it with HyperFlex polyurethane. Two 12mm bolts holding the original shifter bushing and that need to be removed. Thinking about doing this on your car? There are many ways to do this type of job. The purpose of this video is to show what the process can look like before considering the job yourself. We strongly recommend obtaining and understanding the job for this service from the factory service manual before bushing replacement begins. Once removed, the driveshaft carrier bolts are loosened to allow extra room to remove and replace the bushing. With the old bushing out, we can install a fresh, bright red HyperFlex bushing ready to provide a more precise feel and better driving experience backed with Energy Suspension's 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty. The new bushing is easily installed with the provided Formula 5 grease and supplied hardware. The supplied hardware is two 13mm hex bolts and sleeves to go in the bushing. With the new bolts in, the carrier bolts can be torqued to manufacturer specifications. Stay tuned for the next episodes to see more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Drive safely.